Thank you. It's a real thrill to be here, and it is a very exciting place to work as well. So I'm hoping I'm going to do this right. Yeah, so EMSL is a user facility. We're also funded out of the BER, but in the Climate Environmental Science Division. We are focused on working with the scientific community to develop predictive understanding to really address the complexity in the biological environmental sciences and to enable sustainable solutions to our nation's problems in energy and environment. And we do this by accelerating scientific discovery. Okay. And by pioneering new capabilities, and we do that across a wide range of spatial and temporal scales, kind of from molecules to the environment. And so EMSL is a user facility. It's housed in a big building. It's over 200,000 square feet. That's about 2 Costco's. And the other thing I'll point out is that we have 150 staff that are experts in their fields, and they are really excited and eager to work with scientists such as you to solve your challenges. This map shows the distribution of our current users, and if you go to our website, you can click on that and pick up their titles of their research as well as their abstracts. So that'll give you an idea of the breadth of work that we do. Our science is more or less divided into the biological sciences and environmental sciences, but there's a lot of synergy between these problems areas. And in biological sciences, we're focused on developing understanding the mechanisms and processes that allow engineering of better biofuels and bioproducts, as well as understanding the complexity of the microbiome in the plant soil ecosystem to enable sustainable crops. In the environmental sciences, we're more looking at ecosystems and the drivers of carbon cycling and nutrient cycling through those, the transport of contaminants, and the impact of those processes on Earth system function. And so understanding mechanistically what those processes and representing them in predictive models is a true goal of both of those programs. And as I mentioned, there's a lot of synergy between those two science areas, and a lot of the best science that we do is in that sweet spot. We have 150, I would say, very unique instruments, but that really doesn't describe the science that we do or the science that you do. And so we've organized them into these integrated research platforms that are stewarded by these points of contacts here. And actually, Mary Lipton, who's here in the audience, stewards the Omics platform that is very synergistically used with the capabilities here at JGI. James Evans stewards this bioimaging structural analysis, where it's really looking at the function and of biomolecules, and it partners exceedingly well with the synchrotron capabilities that are looking at that structural biology. Galia Orr stewards this cell, spatial, and temporal dynamics, and it's looking at the interaction between cells, whether it's cells in a microbial community or cells in a plant. And I could go on, but I really would like you to go to our website, because I don't have enough time to go into all of them, and learn about more of these. I should mention also that in addition, Leanne McHugh is here, and she leads our theory and simulation, everything from ab initio quantum chemistry to simulation molecular dynamics to simulation of subsurface transport and data analytics and visualization. So it's quite a complexity of science that we do, and here's some recent publications from this past year by our users that kind of demonstrate some of the science that we do and the variety and breadth of that. And so there is the publication by Daly that we heard a lot about earlier today, as well as I guess it's on our poster, some work on isogeny that is as well. But so we're looking at the viral interaction between viral and microbial communities, priming effects in coastal systems, understanding microbial function on redox gradients in very heterogeneous systems. So again, I'll just go back here. If you We have many proposal opportunities. You can find more information on our website about how to access us and work with us to develop a robust research system. We also have a number of workshops coming up this year, and a lot of this information is on our poster at 128 in the poster room, so please come see us. And hopefully I got that done in the required time.
That was perfect.
Awesome. We go for perfection. Thank you.